Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create realistic photo. We will go to use our new custom ChatGPT AI photographer. So what we have to do here is just click one of these options or add our own. So let's say I will just go and click on this one. And it will start generating the character. So as you see, now I'm going to just copy. There are like 5 options. I can ask to create more of them, let's say, but let's get with this 5. So I will just go now to create in different places to see how good it is. So this is one. Let's do one on FLUX. And one I will do in Kling. Okay. See the results. Okay, so this one is okay. See, it's really. Let me download this one. Check here. You can see it's very realistic. So this is look like a stock image, you know. So it's we'll need to make like an upscale, which is another one. Let's see which is the second one, like this one is. Let's see if it's keeping the same character. Because the idea of this custom ChatGPT is to generate series of images, you know. So it's like you are a photographer and taking different shots of the same person. So let's see how good it can create. Right, so it's very, very close. And if we do here, let's go and do another one like this one. I will download this also. Yeah, the Kling is the most like, it's not so realistic, but it's really good. So if you, I can also make a video from this, you know, so that's the good thing. So let's do another one with Kling. Let's see if it's keeping the same character. Yeah, you can see it like Microsoft Designer is really keeping the same character. This one also, it's really close. See, this one is, it's not the same, but it's close. And on Kling, yeah, this one no. Kling is a little bit like. Remember that this is like generating images based of the. Let's see the fourth. This one, based of the text. I think this one is a demo for the FLUX. So if you have a if you have a version on your computer, so you can probably get better results, like making advanced settings here, like updating, see, number of steps, and there is more options for FLUX. So this one is just a random demo. Here, what also we can do is, I will ask, okay, create new prompts. 5 new. Let's see, this one is. Right, so Microsoft Designer is the best option of this in this case. So it's just generating all the same character. If I do it inside of the ChatGPT, okay. So next thing which we can do is create prompts based from the image. I will upload an image let's see, and say please create the prompts based of this image description, and let's see what it comes out. This is another way to create a prompt like image. If you don't know what prompt you want to create, you just put the image and it will start generating. Yeah, right now it's just split all. Right, so what I can do is just come here and say, okay, I can copy all this and copy here and just click generate. So we can copy all that, you know, so I mean, this is a little bit too much text here, but let's see what comes out. Also, I will try to do the same here. Oh, very nice. So do you see, it's respecting all the details of the image, but now it looks like a cinematic. And on the FLUX, yeah, this one is much like illustration, so it's okay. And if I try to say, let's create, yeah, the first one. Right, this one was so nice. Okay, then what I can do is also come here and say, okay, I think, yeah, let's see if it gives a name. Let me see. Selena. Okay, so let's say create prompts with Selena in daytime. Let's see what it will create. Okay, I will just copy all this. Put here. Oh, so as you can see, respecting the same character, but like making a cinematic image. Let's see one more. Download, and then go here to and just put it here, remove the prompt and say okay, upscale, and let's see which is so this one you can see I just did one before, This one is amazing. It's really changing. I mean, even if it's a face here, I know why. But yeah, but the details are amazing. So let's see. Also, while this is upscaling, let me show you something. Yeah, so we can also ask in ChatGPT to generate image. So I said generate first image. So let's see what it comes out. Right, so ChatGPT, now I would say, okay, she is very happy. And let's see what it comes out. So this is also good, but okay, so let's see how it's going. Oh, okay, so it is done. Oh, see the details? This is wonderful, I mean. Yeah, I will just download this one. And this is the same. She's happy. And so on. You can just keep creating a... She find a small bird. And you will see. Now, next image will be again very similar. Nice. So another secret is just add seed number. So if I put this here and say, okay, so you find a way to just add a seed number, and this gen, okay, I just copy this seed number and gen number here. Sorry, here, and let's create again. So let's see how close it can be. It's close, yeah, but the bird is not so big, so it says okay. And I put like, okay, she find a small bird. That's enough. So it's asking me like, we did it before, so why you want another one? Yeah, so let's create another one. Oh, okay, this one is nice, yeah. Okay, so you see? So this means that you can keep doing this with ChatGPT, like keeping the same character and just adding small details and make it much better, you know. So you can do this, I mean, 20 images in a row. So that is all for today about our AI photographer.